back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is doing a whole lot of entering into healthcare clinical systems. We're going to dive all into it. The links to everything that I share, both of these pages, are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company ABS Kids. They have 388 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a system support specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States only, and so there is going to be a small piece of customer service in this position. So it is not completely non-phone, but the bulk of it is entering data. So this is in the healthcare position. The system support specialist is going to provide general clinical systems and process support to their clinical and psychology teams. You will be general data entry within the clinical applications. You're going to be creating new patient profiles within those clinical systems. You're going to transfer files into the main electronic health record system and process clinical assessment documentation for new and existing patients. So the majority of this is going to be entering the documentation into the clinical systems. You will have to interface through phone, email, and video conferencing with caregivers to support timely and accurate completion of clinical assessment documentation. So you will not be working with the kids or regular patients. These are the doctors or providers you'll have to conference with and talk to get all that documentation you need. You'll document and escalate high priority time sensitive matters to your team leads. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree, only a high school diploma or GED. They want somebody who has strong customer service skills, great computer skills, specifically with those Microsoft Office systems, someone who has baseline knowledge of web-based software as a service application use. So if you've used any web-based application, just that you know how to go around a computer and work a web-based application. They're looking for somebody who has experience in medical field is a plus. Knowledge of HIPAA practices is a plus, but is not required. They do want somebody who has 1 year experience in customer service or data entry. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $18 to $19 an hour. It says they provide a full benefit package. They give you training on all the computer systems that you need, and they are also going to provide the computer equipment you need. So all you need to have is you and an internet connection. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave down in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Also, if you have any feedback on how I can make these job leads or this channel more helpful for you, leave that down below as well, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.